All right, so a little update on the whipple. The whipple is in. It is installed. The whipple, the oil pump gears, the timing chain sprocket, the Michimoto air cooler for the oil. All of it's in, everything looks good. Got a little problem. It will not idle. So we've either got, Whipple thinks we've either got a vacuum leak or they're not for sure. They're a little confused right now. I've sent some data logs to them. They're looking at them, not 100% sure what's going on right at the moment, but they've been awesome. Just to let you know that. They have responded as soon as I've called to them. They've called me, asked me to do this, to do that. I mean, couldn't ask for any better customer service from them. They've absolutely been the greatest. That also will say HPR. They've got a YouTube, I think it's Ken at HPR. He has a YouTube channel. Go follow him. Don't worry, my channel, like I said, if you want to follow it, that's awesome. But I just do this for fun. I ain't trying to get like a big bunch of followers. If you want to, that's awesome. If not, don't worry about it. But him, whenever it comes to the Coyotes, all his videos is the one I use to pretty much do the oil pump gears and everything on this. Whenever I had an issue, I go follow or go look up one of his videos. He's pretty cool. Emailed him about the problem I had, responded quickly. Thinks it's a vacuum issue too. So I've got a smoke pump coming to try to do the vacuum to see if I got a leak there. But this thing runs awesome in the upper RPMs, falls on its face whenever it goes to try to idle. So everybody thinks it's vacuum. I'm gonna try to figure that out. But nevertheless, it's in there. It's been a long process. Me and one of my best friends have been working on this, Brian Blankenship. If you want to look on here, he has been great the last few days. But we have put this in here and took it completely apart. We thought that maybe we jumped a tooth whenever we first put this in here on the timing because we had a lot of slack on the non-tension side, on the driver's side. Driver's side. So was worried to death that we jumped a tooth. Took everything back off. Took the whipple off, took the timing cover off, everything, checked everything. Timing was good, everything was great. Put it all back. Same issue whenever we get back. So can't figure out if it's a vacuum issue, what the vacuum issue could be, but working on it. We'll update you whenever we get it. As far as everything else, life is good. This is just material shit. We'll figure it out. Later.